What's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Vechain. So first of all, I want congratulations all Vechain holders because in this time I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see the price changes occurs and the Vechain is going positive and the last 1 hour. Absolutely, that's a good news for all Vechain holder friends. So hope you like this good news. Before starting this interesting video, before seeing the more details about Vechain, I request everyone to please subscribe now AB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now let's start the video, friends, and let's move on, friends. If you look the latest price of the Vechain VET in the market, so 1.0.13223 USD dollar, friends. That is the latest price of the Vechain in the market, friends. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Vechain, so absolutely the last 1 hour price change is going positive, last 1 day price change is going positive, and last 1 week price change is going negative. Only and only the last 1 hour, last 1 day price change is positive, except of these the previous time changes occurs in the Vechain is going negative. That's mean, my friends. Let's see the price chart, what's going on in the Vechain. My friends, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Vechain. If we look the price changes occur in the Vechain, so negative 29.26% negative changes occur in the Vechain, and 0.247524 USD dollar, friends. That is the highest price of the Vechain in the last 24 hour, sorry, last 1 month, friends. So now at this time the price change is going positive, but if you look the previous time, so continuously fast down occurs from the last 1 month. The price of the Vechain is going down. So just imagine the currently situation of the Vechain horse. So now absolutely there's a good news that the Vechain start pumping, and my friends, my prediction about Vechain is 100% positive because I believe that in the start of June, maybe there's a lot of chance to Vechain take a huge pump in the start of June. So that's my prediction only. Anyways, my friends, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Vechain? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.